Hello dear traders, during the previous week Brent crude added 5%. Today the quote is extending its gains. The Russian ruble started the trading week at the level of 63 against the US dollar. Risk assets and the Russian ruble are supported by improving epidemiological situation in China. Nevertheless, traders are still focused on the coronavirus issue. Markets are keeping abreast of the latest news from China. However, on Friday, oil prices managed to recoup some losses amid absence of the negative news on the issue. Today, the market mood is moderately optimistic. At the beginning of the week, both Brent and WTI showed a rise. According to the data received on Sunday, there was a reduction in the number of people infected by the virus. The Chinese authorities said that their efforts to halt the spread of the virus were bearing fruit. Besides, there are some signs that showed a less significant decline in the demand than initially reported. At the beginning of the day, Brent crude advanced by 0.23% to $57.27 a barrel. WTI futures appreciated by 0.17% to $52.41 a barrel. However, oil prices cannot erase all losses amid cautious optimism concerning the situation in China. Moreover, OPEC Plus will hardly call for the emergency meeting as Russia has refused to deepen oil output cuts. At the moment, oil prices are mainly shaped by traders' appetite for risky assets. This week, traders' attention will be focused on the crude oil inventories data from the U.S. Energy Department and API. The report will be published a day later due to the President's Day holiday. During the previous week, the Russian ruble advanced more than other commodity currencies. Today, the Russian currency is still supported by the oil prices recovery. During the next 2 days, the ruble's movement will depend on the epidemiological situation in China and its influence on traders' appetite for risks. The dollar-ruble pair started the trading week near the level of 63.30. Lower activity of the pair is highly possible because of the President's Day in the US. The Russian ruble is also supported by the tax period in the country starting today. Market participants should also take into account high demand for the OFZ bonds that was provoked by the regulator's hint to cut the key interest rate. The Russian currency can turn back to $62. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.